If you are looking for the most reliable collaborative welding Cobot, don't just check the specifics and the no price. Look deeper. Start with one critical features. How the control system talk to Cobot. Many Cobot on the market still use CAN communication. Its cycle time often over 30 milliseconds. This delay can cause data packet to get lost, leading to a shake of Cobot movement. What happens if this happens in the MIG overhead welding? This shake means inconsistent arcs, spatters, and poor weld quality. So what will be the solution? Look for EtherCAT. EtherCAT communication cycle time is under 1 millisecond, over 30 times faster. This isn't just about speed, it's about rock solid stability. No data loss, no Cobot shake, just smooth, precise motion for perfect welds every time. Plus, the high-speed backbone is what enables advanced features like adding external access or high-speed laser seam tracking. For a truly reliable welding process, your foundation must be solid. Choose a Cobot based on EtherCAT. Next time, we'll discuss another key feature, how communication between the weld machine and the Cobot. Let's stay tuned. I'm Roy. Thanks very much.